Okay, so we have a mathematics question that says two variables x and y are related by y equal to this one. Obtain an expression for dy over dx. Find the approximate in y as x increases from 4 to 4.02. Okay, you need to understand that this question is for calculus. Now here there are two questions. One, there is for this one, and two, there is for this one. So let me first start with this one here. So to find the dy over dx. So you say dy over dx is equal to. Now to find the dy over dx for this one here with a greater power. When I say greater power, simply means powers like 3, 4, and so on. We're supposed to use the product law. The product law is given by this formula. You say dy over du multiply with du over dx, like this. So this dy over du simply means find the derivative or the dy over dx for only this one which is inside. So this we call it u, everything here we call it x, which is for this one. So for you get this one, so it will be like this, equal, so it is now dy over dx, and then for you pick what is inside only, so it is x over 2 minus 4, and then just like this, then you say times. Now the next step you get this one, du over dx, and then here now you pick everything. Now since we know to say this one here it is u, so you pick u to the power 3 like this. You have seen 9. Yes, so we continue now. Now we know to say the derivative of a number like this one, which is a constant, it is 0. So meaning that already this one is out. I'm now remaining with the x over 2. Now we know that here there is 1. So 1 times half is going to give me half. So I'm going to remain with 1 over 2. And then 1 minus 1 is going to give me 0. So where there is x to the power 0, it is 1. So in short, this part here, I'm only remaining with half. You say multiply. Now this one, it is 3 times a 1, it is 3. And then 3 minus 1, it is 2. So meaning it is now 3. Now we know to say where there is u, there is this one. So we can still replace it now. So it is now like this. So x over 2 and then minus 4. Now remember here 3 minus 1 was 2, like this. You have seen? Now next step we say 1 times 3, it is 3 over 2. Again we say x over 2 minus 4 minus 4 to the power 2 there. You have seen? So this one is an expression for what? dy over dx. Now, to find the approximate change is given by this formula. Change, we use this symbol for change. Now, since I'm saying change in y, you put like this. You say equal, you say dy over dx, like this. So dy over dx for the first variable, so for this one. So meaning that we will say x equal to what? To 4 for the first variable, or the lower limit. And then you say multiply with the change in x. I hope you are following. Now, there are two things here. There is for this part and for this part. Let me start with this part, change in x. Change in x simply means this one minus this. So it is now 4.02 minus 4. What is the answer once you subtract these two? You're going to get 0.02. So meaning that you say times 0.02. Now, how about for this one? So for this one, simply means you do this. You solve now. You get this one. You get this one. So now it is in, let me solve it here. So it is 3 over 2. And then where there is x, we put what? 4. So it is now 4 over 2 minus 4 to the power what? To the power 2. So it is now 3 over 2. So 2 into 2, in 2 into 4, it is 2. So it will be 2 minus 4. It's going to give me negative what? Negative 2 there. You have seen? So 2 into this one, it is 2. So 2 minus 4 is going to give me this one here. Now we're going to say 3 over 2 like this. So we say negative 2 to the power 2 is going to give me what? It's going to give me positive 4. So 2 here, 1, 2 there, 2. So 2 multiply with 3, it is what? It is 6. So this is 6, it is the one now you put here for the dy over dx for 4. So 6 is the one you put there. Now we say equal like this. So it is now 6 times 2 like this is going to give me 12. Remember what 1. So 6 times 0, it is 0 plus 1. Put a 1, you put a point. 6 times 0, it is 0. So this here was the answer.